Hello, Susanna Anderson here with the All Day All Yours blog at StephenAndersonFamily.com. I want to make a quick review video today of a carpet shampoo I just bought and love. I want to share with you guys about it. This is it right here. It is called the BISSELL TurboClean PowerBrush Pet. I guess it's considered a light carpet shampoo. In addition to being significantly cheaper than the larger carpet shampoos, it's also more lightweight and handles very easily. So I had some misgivings about whether or not it would be efficient at getting our carpets clean. This new house has carpeting on the upstairs and in the basement. You can see that the main floor has these area rugs and both staircases are also fully carpeted. So a lot of carpet in this house, which is not my first choice, but my family really loves it. They missed having carpet in the old house, and they are so thrilled to have carpet in this new house. I was originally planning on getting it professionally shampooed because I haven't had good luck with shampooers in the past. It's a lot of work, it leaves too much water down, then it's difficult for it to dry. So I really had misgivings about doing my own shampooing, and I was just planning on getting it done at regular intervals. However, I found this carpet shampoo on sale at Target, and for $90 I figured it was worth a try. And I just have to say I am so impressed with it, and I really am glad I bought it. I love it, and I don't think I will have a need anymore to get the carpets done professionally. Some of the things I like about it is that it's very lightweight, so it handles easily, but at the same time it has really good suction power. So the water that you're putting down, it is able to pick that back up. It does not leave your carpets overly damp. In our house, they dry in about 4 hours completely to where you can walk on them again. Judging by the water that it's picking back up, it's also very efficient. Thankfully in the bedrooms it wasn't that bad, but on these area rugs behind me and on the staircases, the water came up really dark and dirty. So here you can see the stairs that I've already shampooed, and I've done a lot more. We have 14 stairs going upstairs and 14 going downstairs. So these are the downstairs stairs, and these are the ones I haven't done yet. So you can see there isn't a tremendous amount of difference as far as staining or anything. They were really well maintained before we bought the house, and I'm really just washing them to make them fluffy and nice again. This is the shampoo that I'm recommending here. Here is the clean water tank. When this was full, the water went up to here, so that's what's missing. And you can see that it does a really good job of picking back up almost all of the water that it puts down. It is left slightly damp, but it dries in our warm Arizona climate anyway, with the windows open and the fans on, in a matter of 2 to 4 hours. The clean water tank ran out right here on the last step, just as I was getting done, so it's perfect. You can see the dirty water down here, and it is disgusting. Like I said, this is the staircase. It was not nearly this bad in the bedrooms, thankfully, but these staircases get a lot of traffic, of course. This is the staircase leading down into our basement, where we have all the game room and toys and things like that. And you can see here that I have already shampooed this carpet, so there really isn't much to see because the nice vacuum lines are now gone from the kids having played down here. But you can see that there are no stains or anything. And it did a really, really beautiful job. Very easy. I would say it's as easy as using an actual vacuum. I did not take any before or after pictures or videos, because I didn't expect to love it as much as I do. But here's a section of the carpeting in the girls' room. And you can see the vacuum lines are gone, but the carpet is very nice and clean. There were not really any stains here before, so there's nothing spectacular to see here. Just the fact that it does an excellent job and got this all looking really nice and fresh and clean. Now I mentioned the staircases, and the staircases are a little bit challenging to do with this shampoo because it is fairly large, about the same size and weight as a vacuum, I would say, which led me to look on Amazon if there was like a smaller handheld version of this larger shampoo to do like the car upholstery and small spots like stairways and things like that. And I found this one online, the BISSELL Pet Stainer Eraser PowerBrush. So same brand in that pet line, so I figured it would be good. It does have the motorized brushes, which a lot of them don't have, and it does have the vacuum to pick the water back up. So I had really high hopes for this. It has fairly good reviews on Amazon. I think it's like 4.6 stars. It has a tank for the clean water and a tank where it picks up the dirty water. So I figured if this does what the bigger one does in a smaller scale, it would be perfect. Unfortunately, I cannot recommend this at all. And the reason for that is that it does not pick up the dirty water. Just to demonstrate this, I used 2 of these canisters yesterday to do some of the staircase. And for both of these canisters full of water that it put down, it only picked up this tiniest amount. I mean, literally maybe like a cubic inch of dirty water down here in the dirty canister, which means that it left behind probably 90% of the dirty water. In addition to that being really inconvenient as far as drying time, it's also just disgusting because basically all the dirty water is staying on the carpet. It's as if I went to shampoo my hair and I got it all sudsy, and then I didn't rinse it out, it just left everything in. It wouldn't really get anything cleaner, it would just add water to dirt and make it dirty if anything. So that's being sent back on Amazon today. One of the reasons why I bought the little upholstery cleaner was for stains on upholstery such as this one. One of the kids sat here after they came out of the pool with wet clothes. This is Chloe's little sofa in the living room. And they left a water stain on here. So it looks kind of iffy right now. And I was hoping that the upholstery cleaner would take it out. Unfortunately, it did not. I treated this yesterday. It is completely dry today. But you can see that it did not take the stains out at all. I will just stick with this one. It is not the most convenient on the staircases. That's the BISSELL TurboClean PowerBrush Pet. I will put a link for it in the description of this video below. I highly recommend it. A really great shampooer. Even kids can use it. One of my daughters shampooed several of the bedrooms yesterday because it is actually so fun and satisfying to see it put down clean water and suck up dirty water, and you can immediately see that you're making a huge difference. It's very satisfying. And it has my full 5-star review. I'm very happy with it, much better than I expected, and an awesome price point. I hope this review has helped you if you've been on the fence about whether you need or want a carpet shampooer. Thanks for watching.